Welcome to MS Auto Review, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting rumors in the automotive world, the return of the legendary Toyota MR2 in concept form. For years, enthusiasts have been waiting for Toyota to bring back its iconic mid-engine sports car, and now, the MR2 Concept teases a future where lightweight agility meets modern hybrid and electric performance. Let's explore what this potential game-changer could bring to the table. The MR2 Concept's exterior design is a perfect blend of heritage and futuristic styling. Inspired by the sleek lines of its predecessors, the new concept adopts a low-slung, aerodynamic body with sharp creases and aggressive air intakes. Slim LED headlights and a sculpted front fascia give it an ultra-modern appeal, while a floating rear wing and center-mounted exhaust hint at its track-focused nature. The lightweight chassis, possibly made from aluminum and carbon fiber, keeps the MR2's signature agility intact while enhancing efficiency. While Toyota has yet to confirm exact specifications, the MR2 Concept is rumored to feature a hybrid-assisted turbocharged inline-4 or a fully electric powertrain, delivering anywhere from 300 to 400 horsepower. If true, this would make it the most powerful MR2 ever built, combining Toyota's expertise in electrification with the thrilling, rear-wheel drive dynamics that made the original so beloved. Expect a rapid 0 to 60 mph time, thanks to instant torque delivery, and a precise dual-clutch transmission that ensures lightning-fast shifts. Step inside, and the MR2 Concept embraces a driver-focused cockpit with minimalist, race-inspired design cues. The low-slung seating position enhances the sports car feel, while a fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data. A compact steering wheel with integrated touch controls, carbon fiber trim, and Alcantara upholstery give the cabin a premium yet performance-oriented vibe. Toyota's latest infotainment system, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensures modern connectivity without distracting from the driving experience. Technology plays a crucial role in the MR2 Concept, with advanced aerodynamics and AI-assisted driving dynamics. An adaptive suspension system adjusts in real time to optimize handling, while torque vectoring and an advanced traction control system ensure maximum grip on the road or track. If Toyota opts for a hybrid setup, expect regenerative braking and an electric boost mode to enhance both efficiency and performance. True to the MR2's legacy, this concept is expected to be a lightweight, nimble sports car designed for driving enthusiasts. Its mid-engine layout, low center of gravity, and finely tuned suspension make it ideal for twisty roads and track days. While cargo space might be limited, the MR2 Concept remains a purist's dream, built for the joy of driving above all else. If the MR2 Concept reaches production, it will compete with the likes of the Mazda MX-5, Alpine A110, and Porsche 718 Cayman. Toyota's sports car lineup, already featuring the GR Supra and GR86, could gain an incredible third model that appeals to those craving an affordable, mid-engine sports car. If priced competitively, it could fill the void left by lightweight, analog sports cars that are disappearing in today's market. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to subscribe to MS Auto Review for more in-depth car insights. Like, comment, and let us know, should Toyota bring back the MR2, and if so, would you prefer a hybrid or full EV version? Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.